This is one heavy-duty set of power splitting plugs. I needed something that I could plug into my reptile thermostat so I could run more than one heat mat on it. Power strips didn't work for some reason, so thought I'd try one of these. Worked like a charm. Highly recommended. Convenient for powering a variety of small devices from a single outlet. Unfortunately 16 Aruban florins is too light duty for practical shop use. Got this to use with a DeWalt Power Station which, interestingly enough, does not come with the power cord needed to plug it in. This cord allows the power station to be plugged in and other devices to be powered. Alternately, if the power station is used as a power source, its single outlet can be used to power 4 devices. I have used this so far all 2019 summer in the Texas heat and I don't know how it still looks and feels brand new. The insulation is over the top and the connectors fit perfect each time. I don't know how they put so much quality in a low-priced cord. I lucked out. If you want change, you're gonna have to work hard. And please, if someone needs to move into your lane on the highway just once slow down to let him in instead of speeding up. It's only 10 feet is space for the live of Pete. Pass on the love instead of the hate. Peace out y'all. Click link in description for more reviews.